KOHO, your new financial BFF. But does it need to know your whole name? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of challenger banks, those sleek, app-based financial institutions that promise a banking experience ripped straight out of the future. One name that's been popping up a lot lately is KOHO. They boast features like instant spending notifications, earning cashback rewards, and even getting paid up to 2 days early. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you jump in and sign up, there's one crucial question. Does KOHO ask for ID? This might seem like a basic inquiry, but trust me, it's important. After all, handing over your personal details can feel a little sketchy, especially in the wild west of online finance. So, let's break it down and see what KOHO requires to get you started. The verification tango, selfies, banks, and paper trails. KOHO, like most financial institutions, takes identity verification seriously. This helps prevent fraud and keeps your hard-earned cash safe. But the good news is, they offer a couple of ways to verify your identity. The first option is a breeze, a selfie verification. Yep, you heard that right. KOHO uses some fancy facial recognition tech to match your selfie with a government-issued photo ID, like your driver's license or passport. This is a quick and painless process, perfect for the tech-savvy crowd. But what if you're not comfortable with selfies, or maybe your ID isn't cooperating with the camera gods? No worries. KOHO's got your back. You can also verify your identity by linking your bank account. This lets KOHO peek into your existing financial profile and confirm your details. It's a secure and trusted method, but keep in mind it might take a few business days for verification to complete. Now, for those without a bank account to link or a preference for the old-fashioned way, there's a third option, uploading documents. KOHO accepts scanned copies of official documents like your driver's license, passport, or utility bills. Just remember, they can't accept photos or photocopies, gotta play by the rules set by Canadian financial regulations. Verifying through documents might take a bit longer than the other methods, but it's still a viable option. So, the answer is yes, KOHO does require some form of identity verification. But they offer multiple methods to suit your comfort level and technological preferences. Beyond the ID, what KOHO needs from you. While ID verification is a key step, it's not the only information KOHO collects. Here's a quick rundown of what else you can expect. Basic personal details, name, date of birth, address, and contact information. Pretty standard stuff. Social insurance number, since this is used for tax purposes and reporting your financial activity to the government. KOHO assures users that they take data security seriously. They use industry-standard encryption to protect your information, and you can always access and manage your privacy settings within the app. KOHO, worth the ID verification hustle? Alright, so we've established that KOHO needs to see some form of ID before letting you loose on their financial playground. But the real question is it worth it? Here's the thing, identity verification is pretty standard practice for most financial institutions, traditional or challenger. It's a necessary step to ensure the security of your money and prevent fraud. KOHO, however, streamlines the process with multiple verification options. Plus, the potential benefits, faster access to your funds, cashback rewards, and budgeting tools can be pretty enticing. Ultimately, the decision is yours. If you're comfortable with the verification process and the features KOHO offers align with your financial needs, then it might be a great fit. But remember, you're always in control of your information. Don't hesitate to research KOHO's privacy policy and data security measures before diving in. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.